What's up, guys? It's Hunter, and today we have another very exciting install. We have a 2024 25th anniversary Road Glide CVO, and we are going to put an amplifier, DSP, and new speakers in here. We're going to go with our Pro Audio V-Pro 6.5 HSs, which is our horn, 6.5-inch drivers, and VADM2, as well as a NAV-TV ZEN-H Pro DSP. So let's go ahead and get started. That right there is a ZEN-H Pro from NAV-TV with a plug-and-play harness that'll give power. The harness gives power to here and our speaker outputs to the speakers, and then you can program it to run up to, I believe, 8 channels of output from this. Well, I guess 4 channels from output, because the harness only has 4 channels of output, but you have 4 or 8 channels of RCA out. So if you wanted to add another amp, then run your own wires, that's cool. That explains the DSP portion, as well as signal processing, all that good stuff. This is his garage door opener. We went ahead and put that back where we found it. We made an amp rack here. Took the Rockford Fosgate amp out, as you have already seen probably. And we are running a VAD M2 V2, just running the 2 fairing speakers. V Pro 6.5 HS's, our 6.5-inch horn Pro audio speakers, and of course we still have the factory Harley unit in there, head unit. Beautiful bike, I like the color. Alright guys, that wraps up this installation. I believe the customer's gonna love it. So let's go ahead and see what she sounds like. We're gonna find some music for you guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and follow us for more content.